here for Streamline. Today we've got a very quick video just to announce the winner of our 17-foot Streamline Over 8 pole. I've printed all the entries out here, they're all in there, everybody's is in there. What I'm going to do is put it into this bucket and pick one at random. So let's see if they can mix, see who's going to win. I'm not looking, just going to pick one at random. And the winner is, if I can read it, just bear with us, Danny Wilson. I think I pronounced that right, there you go. That's the winner of our 17-foot Streamline Over 8 pole. If you'd like to get in contact with us via Messenger, we'll arrange to get it sent out to you. Keep checking back, we've got some more competitions coming soon, and thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.